boys and girls, and welcome to Garden Guitar. Rema back again here with a song called Mara. Okay, so we have a cool vibe here going on with Rema's Mara. Let's take a look at this one. Cape on fourth. So let's look at the chords. A minor 7 first. So that is open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. The next chord is a B minor 7. That's a bar chord, so you place a bar now on the second fret, and you bar all strings except for the last E here in the bass. So second there, and then the rest will be fourth on D and third on B. Then we have G. So that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. And then we have the GB chord. So that is second on A, open D, open G, third B, and open E. You can incorporate that as well if you wish. And then the final chord will be C. So that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. Alright, so that will be the chord progression. The order we looked at the chords, that's what's going on through the entire song here. So let's look at the strumming pattern. This strumming pattern needs to be divided into two different parts because we're going to split one round between two chords later. So we're going to look at the A minor and the different parts. So the first part will be down, 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 up. If you grab the A minor 7, it sounds like this. So down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. That's part 1. And then it continues with part 2. Up, down, 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 up. Up, down, 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 up. And if we connect these two parts, it will be down, 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 up, down, 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 up, like this. And to get the idea of a rhythm here, how it sounds, it goes like this for a couple rounds. So we're ready for the chord progression here. The first two chords first two chords are played with one full strum around per chord. So A minor 7, then the B minor 7. And now comes the split here. You're gonna play the G, part 1, and then the GB, part 1 as well. And then you end with C, 1 full strum around. So A minor 7, 1 full, B minor 1 full, G part 1, the GB part 1, and C 1 full, like this. And that, my friends and all Rema fans, this covers the song called Mara. So give it a try, guys. Pretty easy chords. And until next time, play tuned.